guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how I organize my things inside my car. And as much as possible, I avoid putting heavy things inside my car, so I just keep everything light, clean, and simple. So, let's get started. So in this section, what I have here is my pocket size tissue paper and my wet wipes. So nothing special here. Here above, hindi ko pa tinatanggal yung plastic. So just in case I wanted to use my mirror, I have my mirror here. So in the middle section, I have my dash cam. So here, this is my cell phone holder. And this is also another cell phone holder. So if I feel like my breath is not pretty, I have my breath spray, and I also have an antibacterial gel. Just in case I don't have it with me, I can also gonna go grab it and put it inside my purse. I also have my hand cream, and this is where, nothing in here, this is where I put my USB cord. If I wanted to charge my phone, I can just gonna plug it in. And these are just my extra coins. And this is just a Mary Kay container. This is just an alcohol. This is where I put my drink. If someone who sits here at the back, he or she can put his or her drink here as well. Okay, so let's go at the passenger seat. There's nothing special here, so everything is empty. There's nothing special here as well. It's also just a mirror. Dito naman, dito ko nilalagay yung extra tissue paper and wet wipes. I can also comfortably put my cell phone here. So it's up to me, or I can also put my keys. And let's see what's inside my dashboard. So I have my 2 pouches and 1 organizer. So everything here is my makeup, all things hair, and these are just mix-up stuff. So let me show you what's inside my pink pouch. So I have my Mary Kay Glow Finisher. I have Lip and Cheek 2-in-1. I don't know what you call it. At Play. And I also have my Mary Kay Compact for my contour. Let me open it for you. So there. And I also have my extra foundation. I have my curler. I have my lipstick. I have my my lash primer. I have an extra lipstick here as well. Yep, an extra lipstick. Yep, lipstick as well. Extra lipstick. My lipstick. Yep, lipstick. Lip tint and another lipstick. So I have my hairband, I have my curler, I have my hairnet, extra, I don't know, headbands or what, and bobby pins, and hair ponies. These are my hair ponies. So that's what's inside my gray pouch. So let's see what's inside my organizer. This is where I put my first aid kit. So this is what's inside my pouch. So this is my pocket tissue paper and my cotton balls. Dito naman, what's inside of it are just pills and other stuff. So let me show you what's inside. So I have my Band-Aid, extra scissors, Vicks inhaler, and extra pills. So if I feel like I'm having a headache, meron akong mga extra gamot dito. So I also have this gauze bandage. I also have betadine, of course Vicks, a plaster, and an extra antibacterial gel. So, there. So that's what's inside my first aid kit. So dito naman lahat mixed. So everything is mixed here. I also have an extra pocket tissue. I also have my hair cuticle. I also have an extra brush, pastel brush, and I also have a mirror and hairbrush compact. So it's a 2-in-1 thing. So just in case I don't have a brush or a mirror inside my purse, I'll just gonna use this one and put it inside my purse. So there. Ito naman, this is my hair comb. I also have my petroleum jelly. I also have a travel size perfume and an extra antibacterial gel as well. And this is where I put my jewelries. Hindi ko na isa-isahin kasi maubos na tayo ng time. And if you could notice, I have a lot of Watson's Dental Floss Picks just in case bumili kayo ng ganito at naubos na yung dental floss mo. You know, let's be practical. Imbes na itapon niya siya, why not reuse it? So that's what's inside my organizer, and I also have an extra nail cutter. So since my car is a push start button, I can actually put my keys here. So there. Minsan kapag may iniinom ako, dito ko naman nilalagay yung iniinom kong drink. I can also put my car keys here. Or kapag wala ring drink dito, since wala naman laging laman to, I can also put my car keys here. So let's see what's at the back of my car. And these are my cute dolls at the back. So let's start from here. I have my tissue paper, and I also have a wet wipes here. I also have my unicorn doll, and this is also a travel pillow. I also have my unicorn doll, my pastel owl doll, and a unicorn doll as well. So these are my stuffed toys. Those are just 4 stuffed toys, and this is where I put my travel pillow as well, and this is also my tissue paper. And at the back is I actually have an umbrella. This is for those 2 passengers who sit here. They can actually use this to put their drink. So okay, so let me show you what's inside my tote bag. So I have my shampoo. I also have an extra wet wipes. I have a soap with me, and I also have of course a toothpaste. I also have an alcohol. I have my toothbrush. I also have an extra pocket tissue paper. I have my foot powder and an extra lotion. I also have this with me. There, Watson's lotion, and of course tooth powder, petroleum jelly, and sanitizer. So everything inside my tote bag is just my car essentials. Here's what's at the back of my organizer. I just have this extra stuff here. These are my extra equipment. Let me show you what's inside my pink organizer. And yep, what I have here is my duster. Of course, extra equipment for the car. And this is actually for my dash cam. And I also have an extra bag. So let me show you what's inside. I have an extra hanger. I have an extra shirt. I also have an extra cardigan, towel, and an extra shorts. So this is how I organize my stuff. So tote bag on top of my organizer, and in the middle part I just have this pouch. What I have here is my pads. So let me show you what's inside this organizer. And by the way, underneath this organizer I just have some paper bags. Okay, so these are my paper bags. So this is underneath this pink organizer. So let me show you what's inside. So I have an extra hat, CDs, and some, you know, pictures or paperwork it's there, and extra tissue paper. This is also a tissue paper, and this is also a tissue paper. Extra plastic cups as well, and an extra fan. Yep. And these are my extra flats. I have 3. So I have these flats, and I also have an extra flats as well. So there, and an extra sleepers. So yeah, it's unicorn. I really love unicorn, and of course purple is my favorite color. So yeah, unicorn and violet, my favorite color. So yeah, there. And in here I have my pen. It's also a unicorn purple pen, and chopsticks, my keys, my stapler, and my tape, and just an extra Mary Kay brochure. This is my extra mirror, of course checkbook, and I love everything transparent because it's easy for me to see what's inside of it. And this is my power bank, my USB, and extra charger. This is my face mask. Using face mask is mandatory, and I also have my PE gloves. So let's put it back. So yep, those are the things inside my compartment. I'm gonna show you on what's underneath this mat. So I just have an extra tire and a car cover. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.